after lunch, yet more reminiscing.
And then of course, once the big freeze had gone, it was a big freeze, then we were going around with blow lamps and anything, you know, to free the water, you know, to sort of get the flow through to be able to start fans and what have you.
Your hands was blue with the cold.
Oh, dreadful.
You know, really blue. You had to climb around, trying to hold on to places, you know, which is...
But we had an atmosphere then, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
We had an atmosphere then. We wanted to make it work.
Everyone
we really wanted
pulled together.
That's right.
Everyone pulled together.
Mr. Lott always emphasised the Blyth spirit.
That's right. That's right.
Though this day's events were a celebration of Blyth A's achievements past and present, many thoughts were on the future and the government's privatisation proposals for the electricity supply industry.
The people that originally commissioned the plant, together with those that are currently operating the plant, have demonstrated again that the staff of the CEGB have a commitment to generate electricity first and foremost, and because of that commitment they're going to succeed just as well in the private sector as they did in the public sector. The rules will change, but the staff have a commitment, have an ability, have a competence, and will be able to cope with the changes in a way which will ensure that they'll do that job just as satisfactorily as they've ever done before.
After privatisation, Blyth Power Station becomes an asset of national power, the bigger of two new private sector generating companies created from the CEGB. In recognition of the Blyth A record, directors of National Power's thermal division held a board meeting on the premises, the first time this has happened at any power station. After the meeting, a tour of the station.
This is the old conventional aid station right along to...
The big station machines are synchronised on the panels in the big station.
That's right, yeah, but they...
Employees who'd all helped to make the record possible were congratulated. As members of the board appreciated, the achievement was the result of teamwork in every department.
The town of Blyth in Northumberland won a place in the Guinness Book of Records today. The record has been achieved by the town's power station, which may even be a world beater, as Tony Baker reports.
It's a major success story. All four of the Blyth A power station generating units have clocked up more than 200,000 hours of running time. That means that in 30 years since the coal-fired station was commissioned, Blyth A has burned 38 million tonnes of northeast coal and has effectively powered the whole of Tyneside during that period.
The North East Power Station has achieved a British record and sent experts searching through record books to find out if it's obtained a notable world first.
Blyth A power station earned a place in the record books, and to confirm its status, Norris McWhirter, the founding editor of the Guinness Book of Records, was on hand.
I don't know of any other station in the company that has run for 200,000 hours on each unit. I think if you examine the record within that 200,000 hours, you find a plant which has performed well, which has produced electricity with economy, which has been able to respond under the control of the operating staff and the engineers to the demands of the system. So I'm incredibly impressed. There's quality engineering here, there's clearly some good operation here, and I think it's very, very impressive.
Personally, I'm very proud and delighted to be the station manager on this remarkable day. It's all the people that have contributed over the past 30 years, people who run the plant, the people who maintain the plant, the engineers, the previous managers, everybody's contributed.